Welcome to the French Drain Man channel. I'm Robert Sherwood. I want to show you what the guys are up to. They're on lunch right now. I will get back to you on this project as well. So this has a double pitch. The yard actually drains to the house, which is bad news, and there's a pitch to this side of the yard. So what we're going to do, we want to use all that slope to our advantage. We want to get this water moving as fast as we can. Slope equals velocity to your water. Remember that. That's the gas pedal, the accelerator. So instead of just going 1, 2, 3, Scott's got them on an angle. So we are taking full advantage of the slope this way and the slope this way. He's running them on an angle. So they didn't dig this one out yet. And the reason for that, because there's going to be 3, and then they're all attached with a couple balance tubes. The reason, the guys are going to put the fabric in. There's the fabric. They're going to put their pipe in, their stone. They'll get these 2 done. Then they'll go on to dig and put this one in. So they got their own system. It works really, really well for them. They're extremely efficient. They can put some big jobs in fast. Now, you guys ask a lot of good questions, and I'm going to keep making videos. If I keep getting the thumbs up and likes, which I have been, then I'm going to keep making the videos. You guys put your questions in the comments, and I will answer them. I'll make a video for it. Okay, so right here, this is extremely shallow. Now remember, this yard, the water comes to the house. So how are we going to get this downspout water to drain this way when the grade goes like this? See how they dug real shallow? Only 6 inches. This pipe is going to barely be covered. Probably 2 inches of dirt on it tops. But they start digging into this grade and they get deeper. So now look, when they finally get that downspout to their French drain, look how deep they are. Nice. So they hit it. They hit it right at the bottom. I mean, they got their laser levels. You see how Scott and his team do their thing. Nice, nice, nice. Beautiful, beautiful. So again, there's going to be a 3rd line. They got slope. They got slope. They dig deeper. Look at that clean dig. Now, we don't leave any bellies in ours. Now, the bellies are those low points that hold water. People say, oh, that's hard to do. No, it's not. All you have to do, if you're a rookie at this, go ahead and do your excavation and flood this trench with water. Just put a garden hose in it and flood it with water. If you got high spots that you need to shave down, you'll see them. It's that simple. It's that simple. So please, everybody, if you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. I'll keep making them for you. Thank you for the kind words. A lot of you have been really cool. I mean, when you cut through all the haters, we got a really, really intelligent subscriber base that we just love. Thank you guys for all your support. And if you're looking for this service in southeastern Michigan, give us a call.
All right, guys. Until next time, let's all work hard to do it right the first time. We're going to keep it simple. You DIYers, stay tuned for more high octane.